Here's a super interesting app called Widgets, lock and home screen widgets. So let's just install it to see how it looks like. As you can see, this app is climbing into the top 100 apps in the category in US App Store. And yeah, it's also available on iPad, Mac, Apple Watch. It's pretty cool. And this is the app to install your home and lock screen widgets. With Widgy, your home and lock screen becomes your screen, so you can make any kind of widget imaginable that perfectly matches the rest of your aesthetics. All the information you need can be easily surfaced through a widget that you designed. You don't have to clutter your screen with the information you don't want. It's just what you want, how you want it. It's super simple to make a widget. Just add an element, pick a data source, throw some effects, and put it there you want. So this is the app. This is the app, I guess, for more advanced users, where you really like all this kind of home and lock screen widgets. You really like to customize your phone, and with this app you can also create your own widget, use them on macOS, import some widgets. There are some nice tutorials. So for example, if you just want to start with let's start simple date. Add it as a copy. Here you can see some tutorials how to edit it. There are different layers, so it's kind of like Photoshop for widgets, where you can edit and create your own widgets. Like here you can just see you can hide layers and add new layers, and it's like you can see how it works. You can add new layers like bar charts. So all of these things is quite advanced actually. And then you can just see how it looks like. And then this is basically your widget. There is also help where you can just follow some tutorials, and then to basically install the widget you need to go through the manage, and then here you have home screen widget, lock screen widget, and then there are watch widgets. Watchy is like your widgets for Apple Watch, and then home screen you can just go here, select a slot because there is small, medium, and there is large. Select small, and then let's just apply this small widget here. So I guess that should be good, and then tap and hold, and then you should be able to search for Widgy. Like here you can just install it, as you can see, and then you can see all these slots where you can install small or medium widgets. So it's quite advanced app actually, where you can see how it works, and then basically you installed your own widget. So yeah, quite cool. I think I haven't seen yet the app where you can edit your widgets with Photoshop layers, preciseness to say it. You have all of these different types of widgets, types of apps. You can go to the help section, quite handy. Then you have settings. So yeah, that's what you have here, and that's the idea. So definitely give a try to this app. Of course, if you want to use something more simpler, there are so many apps where you can manage your home screen widgets and lock screen widgets, but that's what it is.